Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Karbaga jingpan kre ban Long public hearing halom Sarman East Janjay Hills District kadang yat chakmat haka arpo artre ujamang arajar arpun riu yakaba kham hadin la Pynsangeh no damar ka huri hura ka Voice of the People Party na katega district kala bertangi ka Ïakhih ha persya ka office deputy commissioner ha cleariat hakabaning kong shamla sha ikinoy alam na marketing pentray kam yaka kendon 163 BNSS kata ba sha yalom brio nrai tang sipang lawan mi kibor penyat district ki bala pentep bala Pynsangeh yaka public hearing.
Madam Yu baik ni ya ganti beli yang ni tangwa. Cipun di depan kanannya Madam Yu baik. Dia ada buat kan. Ini buat ini tok diwa burung di tempat itu. Dan ada orang beli acak ya. Kan kan ini ni kira-kira kan.
Ini kita itu. Ini tu yo baik tak.
Yu ni nak buka betul. Orang ni baik pak. Yu di mo. Nak apa? Dia tu yang ini soalnya. Waktu tu saya tu pasal yang ini juga support tu. Nah, ini kita usul ni. Supaya tak saya menemui support. Nah, orang yang popular itu, mah, Ramadan ni presiden nak kawat presiden yang bagus. Ada elak di Songkili sabri semua. Jika mau yuri kami, kita fast kita lagi. Jadi simply, ada jauh di surat. Kita dia ulang ni saya. Pada hari ini pun juga, dia orang juga. Jadi macam ini ada mana tu aku dah new ya kelam sapuk naik teman. Iu vậy thì thấy nó như lai được còn cũng thì tí ông nên thiếu use post cái tôi ni nan teman mana apa snel apa hadu kari teu put lah. Hau dang ini kah?
Kami ni. Yang kuat dia pun betul.
Kami.
Kalau boleh kita biar. You should follow that BNSS. Assembly of 5 people. Beyond 5, demand unlawful.
Kau ini macam apa ker?
No,
you have.
Ini
kita. Bila lagi problem, Mah, di sini ni lawan pada cakap kamu ngomong tu. Mah, nampak nanti arang kau ambil duit. Nampak je kita mo. Ini macam nampak mana je kita kamu berat. Government kau pun kita ibrah dan buat baca.
Halom Sarman nakadaw ko huri hura bat gajepan pen prasuki hapdeng ki bakersan bat persya ya ka Sri Cement Limited kumta ki bor penyat ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat district ka East Janjay Hills District kila hap ban Pynsangeh ya ka public hearing ka badai sibenta ka jing terwa ban Khlong Mawshun da ka ka company.
If you want peace, let us share our thoughts.
Ya buram apa la elak punya Pynsangeh bora Orliang. Yang ini publik dia lah. Ini nak orang you. Ni hak step by step.
What's the presentation of the project? Only public hearing. We don't want a presentation. No.
Yang kerjaan sini, yang kerjaan sepi. Yang ini, yang buat dengan postir kemudian.
We from the Ïakhih have something to say before we start the meeting. Please let us
We
share.
understand your concern. That's why the Ïakhih people want
No,
to know.
before we start, let us share.
Long people like that. Biarkan hadu ang ni.
Don't take a favor, Jongi. This is a fundamental right, Jongi.
Ya ko hok pi
You don't come at Sakri M. You are at Sakri M.
Saya bulannya prosedur. Ya bulannya ke prosedur. Tanda ke presentation naya. High representation ng Dewan Public. About ilan yung flight of the line.
How could they proceed public hearing in dispute land? This is not acceptable. As you all know that when land is disputed, they should solve the land first and then announce the public hearing. Otherwise, if the government go proceed forward, there is something will happen in this area, I should say, because people from Ïakhih also they didn't accept this before they start this public hearing, so they didn't feel comfortable. This is the message to the government of Meghalaya. If you want peace, if you want to go legally with this public hearing, they should first solve this land dispute. That is much.
Are you happy with the solution?
Yes, I'm very happy. I'm very happy because see this is the what we demand. When we have started oppose in Shillong, we have told to the secretariat. After secretariat, we stormed the DC office. This is the final battle, and we have won. I'm very happy I'm very happy with all angles.
Pengingas yung kuman ay gay. Kublay ya ka Meghalaya State Pollution Board bakal sangap ya ka jing ya ki surjong pa iba haga jing ide bakal ni ka public hearing. Ni nagal yang jong ka LK sutnga kadaw bungi persa ya gani ka public hearing kadai ba ki cibenta na ka to ka jaka ka begitmu banti yung Mawshun kadai ka jong ka LK sutnga. Nagata kadaw kum ka LK hiborok ko we haga kadorbar ilaka ru kila irai ban persya ikane ngiru naga kum ki kun samla jong ka ilka hapo ka setri jong ka himas tengah youth federation ni kersan ni ya karai jong ka dorbar ilaka bat bungi mentau kesingiwan hani bat ban persya ikane nim kadauhi nagata kadau ba jaka bungi don ki kini ki land dispute ni kwa ba kat pempat depen baik ya kini ki jaka ni nam ailat bagani ka simen kan pendolong kini ki public hearing Ngikuak banai mentang sing kejingjok kejong ni kade kejingjok jong pai ba ngakuak banai kublai ya kikun ka ilka su tengah barok duduk kirang ba aduk kisamla samhoi bat kumjuru ya kising halang beper kimakiru kidon la kejong ki isu hagaban persya ya kan ka public hearing
kadawi kejong kejingmi jong ki arkan hun kade kejing bam yehun namar 90% nalor ba ka ilka su tengah kadon jaka hang to kidon ru kini kitrai jaka napo nongkle kidon ya ka jakarep henry klaim do ya kejing munjur jong kini kinong rep kene ka Sri Simen ka kuat ban penyat bej ya kene ka public hearing kene hi Khlong kadau jong ka beble mi arkan hun ane ka bas ngausi susu kaladon ka jing le don bor kene ki ba persya ane ngis ngau kemen bar rengkat ka jing itali ka jong pait ba rengkat ka jing don lang jong belai bat ngi ngilala ban Pynsangeh kene ka public hearing kene hi ka pan pau syai ba ka jing itali ba ka sur jong pait ba ka Sorkar kam la ban persngap jaringi bar kene kam de ka jing kut jong kene ka jing Ïakhih ka jong ngi tat hadu ba kinong rep kinyo ya ka hok ka jong ki ka ilka setengah kan la ban penbej ya lau podusam Nomor habadon kano ka dispute ka jingi ke japot kinom la ban le kano ka project ban kano ka public hearing kata Khlong ka basyai henry ngis ngausi ban yo iba ka Sorkar ka kerantang ya kata ka public hearing henry kale klet pat ya kene ka jing don ka jing sya pendu sya yurat jong kene kitrai jaka da kene ka jing le ka jong ikanom kut tat hadu ba ka hop ka ba kitrai snong ban kitrai kelka setengah kan yo ka jing ki jong kan nangai biteng nang sikmat balada ki persang biang man pelong ya kene ka public hearing claim the solve ya kene ki issue bala mi menta nginu mailat ya kene ka public hearing bakan yailong hakisngi ki ba syakmat ru
iwan ne bani persya ya kene ka public hearing jongka ne ka Sri Simen kadau Khlong bagi ya kentur ya upot usam jong ka ilaka jongi lemar ba kat hakajin sisa upot jongki udah tang hang ni stay sapeno jong meulum la dari jong ilaka jongi kat kum kimap jongki kia kilak dap register sete nagta kadau ni ya persya jor ya kan ka jing pelong ya kan public hearing hang ne bat ya ka ilaka jong nong kle nagta kadau ya wan hang ne
nga naliang jonga poi hini ami nong song snong ro iwm tho hatai halum surman duduk ni pada UP ni boro poi hini persai yani project ayongki awdale aki halori hok iriti yong i mani iwm hok imtok kami di hok le wat idulir budi ida penskam dat konsil le i biang i warep duduk abe pa pun be pun temenong i biang hatai te jing le luti yong inne ami nong rap bari nong song snong yong ida snong rim poi hini ye ila percha ye pensnyo ye jing e yong kila amno le e wai hok iriti yong sate achriko simen te dau i poi ni percaya ni myo sangi inong penyat ya ni sing bhai penpep nok ka sing bhai i ap le ye jing da wa yong ami nong chong snong im hok emriti hitai te jing le luti yong de yung de do step chiyo yusar de dep ki i ra di pu chilom wi khanglat khan furok i woro te dau rap slem pon ne kejak hani hawala te le de em yu kap chfa pelat ya luti yong ki pelat ya luti wi yo poi suk hani te nalia yong te banjuri wagani ka Sorkar bat gani ka pollution mentu to i penpep no ya gani atu an punya baj ilaka wo i witre hok iriti wm hatai ite nalia yonga amri yu pida high court le ong bicar no ya tua ya tu ne jing object naliang yonga ngatu bolangki wa de yu piha wa de poda high court yo order wa tu penbaj no mentu hani te dau ngakarpat ya Meghalaya State Pollution Board we singo bhabi up no i itre tho de hok hatai ni bhala da egi sep iriti hok yong i mentoi te i mi hawa hok aryo deka
yu poi ye percha ni bhai ki arkwai ka ani Ini public hearing lar kuai ka, ini cerita lar kuai ka. I kuai Ïakhih yerap amajo hi. Ni bah mayoi hi ong ar hab yo hi ile. Bah em lang hi chiru bi. Ublah em lang hi chiru bi. Na yoi ikam. Ar ijing tip malu malanong. Di besakit hi dadap yo hi le. Ba I che I mana thum ka bang I. Dai chara chwang I o. Dinu banai run banai usan dang sitrik artrik itu por dadap cara yu kebah tang dadap dajat leprai wapen jot io bah ar hoy de tip daya ye thung mesti mendewi nong ar em por de mesti mendewi mana hap slap ida hap thung kebah tang kebar hoy de thung dat ar hoy de pen em kami o tengah kwa bo le ajing gerpat na yo I yosnya tho langse yo I yosnya tho I em kami Ïakhih irap hi dang chi I chani Ïakhih irap hi iwa em kam do I
cái ấy cái bụi trong cái Sri Cement hne và bên khang lát yang ini kita persiapan wan syakane ka public hearing kila thang ru ya kawai ka kali as for will hangte halenti highway hangte nangta kila pun bahaki gun lenti ki yang na drong lom ki kawang mau ki kawang kideng kisik kaba labo jingma sisa yang ikinong persya penwan syakane ka public hearing te kumta ngiru ngikerpat ya ke Sorkar baka Sorkar kam day penkesan ya kum kini ki public hearing namar bangin ya parado prasnam ngin pen imyu dekhar ubawan kamaya ka sepak kejongi nang ne hadin habot pat unlei hadin ba ula kamaya ka sepak jongi un ino yang I hang ne ben mari kijing ya kijing thang Dekat Sorkar kadai ben pengor bah kadai ben siau tho bat kadai ben penduk pendami kaneka Sri Cement Plan Mardor.
After this public hearing also will not remain silent, will continue our agitation because like I have said before, this is the right of the farmer, the right of the landowner. You cannot some company who is an outsider company, they are trying to chase the land of the tribal people. So we won't accept this kind of force and this kind of mafia. So we condemn the government, we condemn the district administration, and we will continue our agitation in future also to make sure that the land owner and the farmer, their rights are being protected by the government. We have seen the government is trying to promote the agriculture and the paddy field in our state, but actually what happening here in Ïakhih Nong Khleh, they are trying to destroy the land of the owner. You can see all this land, they are a paddy field of the people. So this is not just about the land, it's about the livelihood of the people. So we really condemn this act of the government and this act of the Sri Cement, and we cannot accept this kind of company who are trying to establish their company by force.
Ni don rugi argument ki biang baka company Lada ka surplus ka ba khaddo ka ong company Lada omle ikini di onra saka jing bichar bakat kum ki kendon ka an bamot la ban cancel lam de kum ba yakut namar ba kani ka long ban penpa ban penroi penpar ya ki nong song snong ha ki spel te ligi snong namar bengi I bakar pambat kiu kam it ni kina chu nang bakan scam ban pelai bon ki jinge ya ka pollution ingi da futir ba amsha ban penjot umbam umki jing tung jing tem company ka di ban take step ban prevent ya pollution
sognom tasni bala Pynsangeh
ngim da so tanam tikat song ho bobon balang kham tam kinong song snong ha totally snong jong elaka jungi ka di namanta ka jing mentoy mo jong barok we are brothers same thing in everything
kita ki jimen toy ba kasi cement ka
ni expect but ni hope so ka we ka long ban solve ya ka unemployment ka badon happening ki kun samla jungi ki bala pule la nang start ki unemployed educated youth ka we pa dia ban penyok kam penyok jam kun samla jong elaka kom hakaba supply giding supply ke per but bon ki we yakabang in sadon ka joint committee 50% of that committee, I mean 50% of the strength of that committee should be the people of the company, representative of the company, and other 50% should be the members from the Ïakhih.
Nakaliang kibor penyak distrik kata nau Manish Kumar IAS, Deputy Commissioner Batkum Jo nau ba YF Lalu Environmental Engineer, jangan Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB kila penpau bahap Pynsangeh eka public hearing namar ke jingmi ke huri hura.
Due to the law and order situation in the region and since people were shouting too much, we are not able to conduct this public hearing today. So this public hearing has been called off for the today.
As of now, there is no plan for this one. This one will have to sit on the table and then we will see what will be the situation. And then hopefully the matter will be resolved. And then hopefully we can start, if the law allows, then we will start another public hearing peacefully after due procedure follow as per the EIE notification.
Is there any procedure for that?
For today, no. For today, no more.
No, I'm talking about in future.
Yes, there is.
What risk did you see today, like if you go ahead with the hearing?
There must be, I think, a law and order situation in the region. So, in the interest of peace in the region, so I have decided to call off this public hearing for the day.
So, pertaining to the law and order situation in the area, many claim that they were obstructed on their way to the site where the venue. Anything on it?
We don't have such information so far. I want to appeal to all the people of East Jaintia district to please maintain the peace, and whatever grievances they have, please raise your grievances through a legal channel. And there are various legal channels through the district office and the ADC council office. They can raise their demand of this land matter or any environmental matter that can be resolved peacefully also.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.